Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix an Unreal process has crashed on Steam. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Steam and you just need to right click on the game you're having problem with and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Second step, you just need to update the GPU driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. Third step, you just need to disable overlays. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the game and select properties. You just need to turn off this enable the Steam overlay while in game, turn it off. And after that, you just need to disable other overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience or Radeon software. Fourth step, you just need to allocate virtual memory. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance, select settings, select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the C drive and select a custom size. Now you just need to find how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed on our PC. In my case I have 16 GB of RAM. After knowing that, just close stuff here. Now check my video description for these values. Install size and maximum size. Now copy the values depends on your RAM. In my case 16 GB RAM, so I am copying this value and paste it in install size. For maximum size, copy the value depends on your RAM and paste it in maximum size and select the set option. Now the value should be listed under the paging file size. Select the OK option, select apply and OK, select the OK option, select the restart now option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.